Good day, everyone. I hope you're feeling well today. This topic is just a summary of your lesson on your book, and this lesson will be revolving all about the music of the classical period. Classical period can be traced during 1750 to 1820. It is in between of the Baroque and Romantic periods. As I said earlier, the classical period is in between with the Baroque and Romantic period. At the maturity of the Baroque era, there is a new music style discovered, and that is the classical music. The classical music is refers to the period that took 1750 to 1820. But there is a but in this classical music thing. Why? Because the classical music can only be played to those who have a wealth on it, or in short, has a money, because the purpose of the classical music is for amusement, inspirations, and entertainment. Let's go to the major composer at the classical period. First is Franz Joseph Haydn. The summarized life of Franz Joseph Haydn is he was born on 1732 and died on 1809. He is a choir member at the age of 8, and he spent his life to the most richest family, which is the Esterhazy family, to render their desires and writes a song for them. By 1780s, his music had been published throughout Europe and regarded in the music world, and with that accomplishment, he was invited to play in the various cities. Haydn's famous work was The Heavens Are Telling. I encourage you to take time to search this music, to have a knowledge of the song. Thank you. Next famous composer is Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. To sort out his life, he is a talented musician and can play every instrument. He began performing at age 6 and also had hundreds of works, such as sonatas and symphonies. In 1761, appeared in public as a keyboard performer, and in 1762 he traveled with his sister to the court of Prince Maximilian III and composes in the year 1763 to 1768 his first opera, Di La Fenta Semplica. He is a successful composer, a violinist, and assistant to concertmaster, and his parents are Leopold Bertel Mozart, and his father was behind of all that is happening to him, with the guidance of his father, because his father is a minor composer and had an experience teaching also. His famous work is Missa. Please take time to search this on YouTube so that you will have a knowledge of the music. Next composer is Ludwig van Beethoven. He was born in Germany in 1770. He was known as a pianist. He came out with the new ways of combining instrumental and vocal forms. He studied music with Christian Gottlob, who was a court organist. He won many patrons among the leading citizens of the Venice aristocracy. He composed musical pieces that earned him the reputation of being a master composer. Famous work: Joyful, Joyful, We Adore Thee. Please take time to search for this music. And that's all for today's video lesson. If you have any question regarding our lesson, do not hesitate to ask me a question. And regarding our activity, if you have any question, please ask me as well. Thank you and good day.